Hi, in this video, let me tell you the second way of making a component set and then slash naming convention as well. So let's get started. So let me make a rectangle first, square first, and make it as a component. Color red, done. And then if you click this, add variant, there is a component set, right? And we want to make this green. And let's change the name first. Green, and then green. The problem is we change this name, but the name is red, so let's not default. So let's change the name here. And let's change the name as well. And let's change the property name as well. And let's see if it works. Copy this. And then buttons, color red and green. Perfect. And you might have noticed that the changing name was quite cumbersome. So then we can use slash naming convention. And let me show you how it works. Let me delete this and make a new square again. And fill it as red. And then component set. And we can use slash naming convention here. Buttons, red. Like this. And if you click the button, add variant, buttons here. Cool, isn't it? And it's red. Cool. And then let's change the name as well. Not variant 2 as green. And let's change the property name as well. Color. And we have to change the color. Then buttons, green, red, and see if it works. And then buttons, color red, and green. Perfect. And some of you might wonder, what if we name like many slashes? For example, let me show you this. And then, what is it? Color red, make it as component, red, not red, buttons, like this, square, red, like this, and we make this, and there are two properties here, square, and the values are square red. So using multiple slashes, we can make multiple properties, and I will deal with this later, in detail later. So look forward to that video, and I will stop this video here. Thanks for watching, and bye.